Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your microphone not working on your Lenovo laptop, whether it's an external or built-in microphone. And now, let's get started. First, we need to ensure that your microphone is enabled within your Windows settings. Click on the Start menu, then type Settings, and open the application. In the Settings window, navigate to Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on Microphone. Make sure that microphone access is turned on. Below that, ensure Let Apps Access Your Microphone is also toggled on. Then, scroll through the list of applications and toggle on access for any application you wish to use your microphone with. After confirming these settings, close the Settings window. Now locate the volume icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and right-click on it. Select Sound Settings. Under the Output section, this is where your audio plays from, typically your speakers or headphones. Next, focus on the Input section. Here, you need to select your microphone. If your microphone is connected, it should appear in the list. Select your microphone from the drop-down menu. As you speak, you should see the input level slider move, indicating that your microphone is functioning. You can also click Add Device to try connecting a Bluetooth microphone if applicable. Next, scroll all the way down and click on More Sound Settings. This will open a new window. Click on the Recording tab. Right-click on your microphone in the list. If you see an option to Enable, select it. It is also crucial to ensure your microphone is set as the default device. With your microphone selected, click the Set Default button. Now right-click on your microphone again and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Advanced tab. Check the box next to Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, and then OK. Finally, click Apply and OK once more in the Sound window. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.